The World Health Organization (WHO) acknowledges that nearly 88% of the world's population uses traditional medicine. For millions of individuals worldwide, traditional medicine serves as their first line of defense in the fight against a wide range of illness. A study says 70% of healthcare systems use the traditional medicines in rural India. Among others, Ayurveda is currently the most widely used form of traditional Indian medicine. Ayurveda, the science of life, is one of the ancient and comprehensive systems of healthcare. Quest for good health and long life is probably as old as human existence. Ayurvedic market is expected to witness significant growth in the coming years, primarily driven by the growing demand of healthcare, oral care, hair care, skin care, and others. The Ayurvedic market research is meant to benefit stakeholders, vendors, and other participants in the industry. The Ayurvedic market is expected to reach 1824 billion rupees till 2028 with compound annual growth rate CAGR of 19.3% during 2023 to 2028. Rising health concerns due to the side effects of Western drugs and the growing awareness about the benefits of natural and organic medicines represent one of the key factors bolstering the market growth in India. In addition, the increasing popularity of Ayurveda products as a safe and healthy alternative to synthetic chemicals and pharmaceuticals is propelling the market growth in the country. Some of the major players in the Indian Ayurvedic products market include Dabur India Limited, Patanjali Ayurveda Limited, the Himalaya Drug Company, Vico Laboratories, Charak Pharma Private Limited, Hamdard Laboratories, Forest Essentials, Emami Limited, Shri Baidyanath Ayurveda Bhavan Private Limited, Kerala Ayurveda Limited, Amrutanjan Healthcare Limited, etc. Apart from this, the easy availability of Ayurveda products through online and offline distribution channels, coupled with the increasing affordability and easy accessibility of products across both urban and rural regions of the country, are fueling the market growth. Moreover, the Government of India is undertaking favorable initiatives to support the Ayurvedic product industry. For this, the government is organizing exhibitions, trade fairs, and roadshows for the promotion of Ayurveda. The government is also investing in different programs to increase the visibility, acceptability, and usage of Ayurvedic products in the health system. This, along with the increasing investments in various research and development activities for developing new formulations, improving manufacturing processes, and incorporating modern technology into Ayurvedic product development, is creating a favorable market outlook. Besides these various strategies to globalize and promote Ayurveda with the health system, and increasing number of visitors coming to India seek Ayurvedic treatments and products are offering lucrative growth opportunities to Ayurvedic product manufacturers. It was really a big occasion when World Health Organization (WHO) established a global center for traditional medicine in Jamnagar, Gujarat. It was needed as 88% of all countries are estimated to use traditional medicine such as herbal, acupuncture, yoga, indigenous therapies, and above all, Ayurveda. The priority request to WHO was the evidence and data to inform policies, standards, and regulatory frameworks for safe, cost-effective, and equitable use. And the time has come. The whole world is going to preserve, protect, promote, and advance the consciousness-based philosophy, knowledge, science, and practice of Ayurveda for the benefit of all beings. Then definitely, Ayurveda will be the global leader in healthcare sector. Nirog News.